Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and it's a special week this week. If you're a current subscriber, my new book, The Becoming Bulletproof Project, Discovering the Hero Within, just came out. I'm excited about this book, and I really hope you'll check it out. Just so you know, it's not about, I'm a superhero fan, I love Superman. But this book is about really discovering the power that's inside of you, learning how to make the hard things easy, just learning that you're capable of amazing and wonderful things. Now, there's a lot of training programs in the book, things that I've done, things that I've learned from one of my mentors, John Brookfield. Anyway, the whole purpose of the book is to teach you how to get very comfortable doing the uncomfortable and discovering that you are indeed a superhero, or at least you were made to be. So I hope you'll check that out. It's the Becoming Bulletproof Project. Just so you know, just to give you a taste of what's in store for you, and this is not in the book, but it's about taking simple movements that you can do that are quite, they're just not pleasant. But you learn how to do them, and you learn how to build up your capacity to do them to where they are not unpleasant anymore. And one simple drill you can do, just if you wanted to do this at home, and this will make you very strong mentally and physically, is just simply elevated rocking. And I know it doesn't look like there's much to this, but if you and I were to just hang out here for 10 minutes and just do this back and forth, you would discover some amazing things about your body, about your mind, and really just about you. So this is just a simple task you can do for 10 minutes, let's say, without stopping, without putting your knees down, just rocking back and forth, still breathing. And after a while, you'll discover that, man, this is working. I don't know what is working, but it's working. So lots of things like that in the book to teach you how to put programs together, to make your mind tougher, to make your body tougher, and again, really just to discover you. I like you though, because you're watching my video. So I'm going to give you another simple exercise you could do. Cross crawl touches on all fours. Now this drill right here will make an amazingly strong body. Especially, let's say you worked up to 10 minutes of this. Let's say you worked up to 20 minutes of this nonstop. Well, you would have abs of steel, and a body that's just capable of doing anything, because if you work up to 10 or 20 minutes of that, you know that you'll have a mind capable of doing anything, and the body always follows the mind. Anyway, that's pretty much the gist. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for all your support. Oh, got one more thing for you from a special request. So here we go, and I don't know how this is gonna go, but we'll see. Hello friends, it's your old friend Matt Foley, and I want to encourage you to run down to the old Amazon and check out Timmy's new book. He's going to put the description right here below so you can find the link to check out his new book. I encourage you, and I thank you for your support. Have a nice day. Thanks guys, and remember, drugs are bad, okay, right? Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you next time.